Sorry, Papa Elon, I have to do this. So X algorithm gives me no choice but to do this. So for small accounts like us, our tweets got no views, no engagements, and no followers. We spend hours replying other people's tweets and scratching our heads to find tweet inspirations. This is why I built ThreadWave, an agent that helps you get more followers and save hours of your time on X at the same time. ThreadWave mainly does three things: reply, tweet, and engage. Right now, we're in the reply agent page. Reply agent works very simple. We have ready to use template for you to choose from. You can either schedule or you can run it now. And just select any options from the list, and it's gonna start. So right now we're starting the agents. All right. So it's gonna take a few minutes. While we're waiting, we can work on other stuff at the same time. Okay, I think we have ready to use drafts. Let me review all of them. Okay, I think this one is from OpenAI official team. So let me draft the reply manually and send it out. Okay, sending. Let's work on other things while sending out the drafts. Okay, done. After this demo, I feel like I might get sued by Papa Elon. But before that, let's grow on X with ThreadWave. Remember, you have to sign up today. Because after you sign up, I'm gonna give you 100 credits for free. No credit card needed, not anything. Just sign up, on board, then you get 100 credits. And 100 credits is enough for you to run 2 months worth of tweets, like 50 tweets or something. Yeah, so not 2 months, but like 1 month. All right, take care. Bye.